All right, guys, now we are looking at the second half of 9-2 representing linear functions. We did the top half yesterday. Today we are going to do the bottom section. I'm going to first focus right over here on the left-hand side, just talking about the y-intercept and the x-intercept. So a couple things that you're going to need to remember. First off, this is your y-axis. And this is your x-axis. And the intercepts are basically when do they hit the y-intercept. So like right here, that's where it hits the y-intercept. And the ordered pair for that would be 0 and then up 3. So the y-intercept is 0, 3. The x-intercept right here, where did it hit the x-axis? Is over 1, 2, 3. So now we have 3, 0. So one thing that I want you to take from this to help you solve these problems over here is basically to find the y-intercept. So this is again your y. Notice the x is 0. And to find the x-intercept, the x has the number 3, whereas the y ends up being 0. What I'm going to do is just take this problem here, and then I'm going to rewrite it over here so you guys can kind of watch me solve this. Let's see how this goes. So to find the x-intercept of this problem, I know that y has to be 0. Okay, because that's going to help me find my ordered pair. So I know my ordered pair is going to end up being 0, whoops, just kidding, is going to be something, 0. That's my x-intercept. So I know if I take and plug in 0 for the y here, I should be able to find what is my x-intercept. So I'm going to take this problem, rewrite it, negative 2x plus, now we're going to plug in the 0, equals 4. So remember, that's really not even there. It's just a plus 0. So now I'm going to rewrite this as negative 2x equals 4. The opposite of multiplying by a negative 2 is to divide by a negative 2. Divide by a negative 2. Cancel. And x equals negative 2, because 4 divided by negative 2 is a negative 2. Now with this, now I have my x value. So I'm going to plug it in here. And I know that my x-intercept is negative 2, 0. To find a y-intercept, x will be 0. So again, when I find my ordered pair, I know this is 0, and then this will help me find my y value. I take the exact same problem again, and now I'm going to rewrite it. Negative 2. But this time, I know what x is. I'm going to use this 0 for x. So multiply by 0 plus y equals 4. And I know that negative 2 times 0 is 0. So I'm left with y equals 4. I'm going to just take that and plug it in here. It's 4. Now this should give me enough information to be able to graph. Your graphs tomorrow, today for you guys, your graphs for this information does not have to be on a graphing paper, and I'll send you graphing paper when it's really needed. For today, all I want you to do is plot these 2 points. So I'm going to go over 2, 1, 2, and then up 0, down 0. So I'm going to stay right where I'm at. And again, here is an x-intercept of negative 2, 0. So right there. Then I'm going to take my y-intercept. So this is 0, so don't go right or left, and then go up 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to put my dot right here. And again, that's 0, 4. And that was my y-intercept, because that's my y-axis. And now I'm going to just draw this the best I can. And now you've created the 2 points so that you could graph this equation.